When a customer came in complaining that the check engine light was on, I began by connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan tool revealed the code P0325, knock sensor 1 circuit, bank 1 or single sensor. This code indicates a problem with the knock sensor, which plays a critical role in detecting engine knocking and ensuring optimal performance. To investigate further, I started the engine and monitored live data on the scan tool at idle. I noticed that the knock sensor parameter was not present, which confirmed the need for a deeper inspection. I visually inspected the knock sensor wiring harness and connector for any visible damage, such as frayed wires, loose connections or corrosion, but everything appeared to be in good condition. To continue troubleshooting, I turned the ignition on, engine off, and used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the knock sensor connector. Both were present, indicating that the sensor was receiving the necessary power and ground. Next, I tested the continuity of the knock sensor using the multimeter. The test showed that continuity was not present, meaning the internal circuit of the knock sensor was open. This confirmed that the knock sensor was faulty and unable to perform its function. The knock sensor is essential for detecting vibrations caused by engine knocking and sending this information to the engine control module, ECM. The ECM uses this data to adjust ignition timing and prevent engine damage, making it critical for engine health and efficiency. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty knock sensor with a new one. After installation, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This step-by-step process ensured the problem was accurately diagnosed and properly resolved. Testing the power, ground, and continuity of the sensor helped pinpoint the issue without unnecessary parts replacement. Maintaining a functional knock sensor is vital for preventing engine damage, improving performance, and reducing emissions.